Welcome, welcome. We are in Unit 2, Session 3. We're plowing right through, looking at characters. We are going to be kind of doing something a little bit different this week. You get to choose your story that you're going to be reading. I did give you two options that you're going to choose between, so it's not like you get to choose any story, but you do get to choose between these two options. So I just went over to materials, fall semester, right here. Here's our short story unit. We are in session 3 right here, and you'll see that it says Lamb to the Slaughter or 7th grade. Here is where I wanted you guys to check out the summary for Lamb to the Slaughter and then the summary for 7th grade. You need to look at them both, and then you need to make your decision about where you want to be this week. So you're going to continue on. You're going to watch those two summaries. You're going to continue on. Everyone's going to participate in this discussion here. There's a couple of pages that I want you to read. This asking questions has a really good video in it that should help with trying to figure out exactly what the benefit is there in reading. And then by the time you get down here, you are going to click on the video right here. And it's not posted yet, obviously, but I'm going to explain to you where to go from there. So when you come out of that, everyone's going to participate in this discussion here, and you will be done. So please make sure you watch the video and directions for what is next. That's it. That's all I have for you. If you guys need any help, you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great week.